Hello, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. Today I will introduce you how to choose the right size of the MaggieFrame, which is your most common use. When you receive your machine in the last few years, you will get a package of this. In the carton, you will get the embroidery hoop, the green one, like this. Normally you will get 5 sizes of the green hoop inside of the carton. But if you buy the machine 4 or 5 years ago, maybe you will not get this carton. Normally, this embroidery hoop, the 5 sizes, they are together with a plastic bag and put this with the machine together and ship to you. But anyway, this is the same. For some brand of embroidery machine, maybe you will receive a bigger one. The hoop length is 605 millimeter. Now we start the comparison between the green hoop and our MaggieFrames. The first one you got is this. The inside is round. Inside dimension is 90 millimeter, and our hoop, this one, is 100 by 100 millimeter. That means 3.9 by 3.9 inch. You will see the size comparison. Our MaggieFrame 100 by 100 millimeter, because the square area even have a little bit bigger embroidery size. This hoop in your hand, inside dimension is 120 millimeter round, and compare our MaggieFrame, this one is 130 millimeter by 130 millimeter. That means 5.1 inch by 5.1 inch. Let's do the comparison. You will see. So this hoop 130 by 130 millimeter. This even have a little bit bigger embroidery size. This is a perfect size for the left or right chest logo to do the embroidery. This is a very popular size, very common use size. And the hoop in your hand, this one, is the inside dimension is 150 millimeter, and compare the MaggieFrame, this one is 165 by 165 millimeter square. Let's do the comparison like this. This hoop in your hand, maybe on the carton or the data sheet of the machine, they will say it's 220 millimeter something, but actually the size is 200 millimeter. And compare with our MaggieFrame, this one is 215 by 230 millimeter. That means 8.5 by 9 inch. Let's do the comparison. This size in your hands, the inside size is 290 by 290 millimeter, and compare with this one, MaggieFrame is 240 by 240 millimeter. That means 9.5 by 9.5 inch. Let's do the comparison like this. If you have this hoop in your hands and the size is this is 360 millimeter, this is 550 millimeter, and with the comparison with our MaggieFrame, the size, this is 315 by 395 millimeter. That means 12.4 inch by 15.6 inch. Let's do the comparison. It's like this. Except the 6 size of the MaggieFrame I just showed, and we also have another 9 size for you to choose for a different project of the embroidery. And for example, we have this size. The dimension is 7.7 by 2.8 inch, like this. This size is mainly for the sleeve and also for some clothes for the babies. This size is 325 millimeter by 105 millimeter. That means 12.8 by 4.1 inch. This is for the trousers. There are hundreds of brands of embroidery machine use this exactly hoop. So you have this hoop in your hand, but the machine brand maybe is a local brand, maybe is a Chinese brand, maybe is a little bit famous. The hoop length is 355 millimeter or 395 millimeter. We'll buy the MaggieFrame on our online store. You just need to compare and confirm. The hoop in your hands is exactly the same as the photo of the hoop we put on the web page. And you just need to choose the right size which you want, or this one, for example, or this one. For your machine, just email us, take your photo, that's okay. We can handle it. Thanks for your time for watching this video. I hope this video can help you a little bit to find the right size of MaggieFrame which you need for your embroidery work. If you have interest to have more information about the MaggieFrame or how to use the MaggieFrame, please subscribe our channel. We will bring more information, skills and experience to you. Thank you for your time. See you next time.